Good morning children and welcome to the online session of English Grammar of class 4. Let us open the book to page number 39 and we were on chapter number 13, articles a and the. We have finished this part. I have explained you article a. I hope you did your homework to learn this vowels and consonants. Okay, and the definition of this thing, the article a, where do we use it, the use of article. I hope you have learned it. All right, it was a homework for you in the last video. Now we will begin with the next type of article, that is an. So look carefully children, article an. Now look at the following pictures. The first picture of an ant, it is written an ant. Second picture is that of an elephant. An elephant. The third picture is that of an eagle. An eagle. So you can see in the picture there is the picture of just one ant. Okay. And with that, this article, just before this ant, we see this article coming. It is an. And an denotes one ant. Okay, an ant means one ant. An elephant means one elephant. And an eagle means one eagle. So an also denotes just one. Okay, it can be the name of a person. It can be the name of a thing, the name of a place. Alright, the name of an animal. And if it is one in number, we will use an. And one more thing. We use an in front of nouns that begin with vowels. The letter vowels. A comes under the vowel A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A is here. Now, elephant, the noun elephant, it also begins with the letter. This letter is the vowel. Okay, so therefore this an is used before it. Eagle, again this is a vowel. Okay, the first letter of this word is a vowel. So we will use an before it. Okay. Now we have to be very careful with the sound. It should also have a vowel sound. Only then we can add an before it. Alright. So let us turn the page to... We will find some more examples. An ass. You can see the picture of one ass. It means one ass and it begins with a vowel A. An ox. You can see the picture of one ox. It says that there is one ox. Okay. An ox. O also comes under the vowel. Okay. So here we have added an. Okay. Next one, ice cream. There is a picture of just one ice cream. Okay, and what is this letter? This is I, no? So I also comes under the vowels. Okay, so therefore we have put an. Therefore we can see this an coming before it. Alright, so an is used before the nouns that begin with the letter vowels. Okay, the vowels. Now the words elephant, ant, eagle, ass, ox and ice cream are nouns. They are also singular. You can see all these are nouns. Ice cream, ox, ass, elephant, eagle, ant that we have just studied. These are all nouns. And these are singular. Singular means one in number. You can see the picture. It is just one in number. Alright, so that is why it is called singular. But all of them begin with a vowel sound. You can see all of them begin with a vowel sound. Now we have to always note that it should also have a vowel sound. It is very important, this one. Sound should be there. The sound of this vowel should be there, children. Okay. Alright. So we should be very careful with it. If the sound of the vowel is there, we can use and before it. So we use and before all of them. Examples, an owl. So there is this, when we pronounce owl, this, it begins with this sound, owl, owl, so we have to use on such, wherever there is this vowel sound, we can put and before it. Okay, an apple. Apple, the sound that comes when we speak apple is a. So this, whenever there is this vowel sound, the nouns that begin with a vowel sound, we use and before it. An orange, o. So we can see this, we have to be very, very particular with the vowel sound. Okay, so wherever there is a sound of vowel, in the beginning of the word, okay, whenever we pronounce that word, whenever we speak that word and we get this vowel sound in the beginning, we have to use and before it. Okay, so where do we use and? This also is very important. You have to learn it. It will be given as homework. We use and before common nouns which are single or one. Single means just one in number, singular, and begin with a vowel sound. It begins with a vowel sound. Okay. Now come to this box. We have to remember some things. Let us read it. First point, we say an honest man, because honest begins with the vowel sound O, as in orange. Now see this word honest. It begins with H. Now children, it doesn't come under vowels. It doesn't come under vowel, because vowels include these letters A, E, I, O and U. Now H is not a vowel, it is a consonant. Then why have we used and before it? Okay, this should be the question that should come into your mind. Okay, because honest begins with vowel sound. When we pronounce honest, what type of sound comes? O, honest, O. So the sound is similar to orange, honest, orange, O. So this sound is similar, no? So this sound is that of a vowel. So it has a vowel sound. So therefore, whenever there is a vowel sound, children, we have to use this and before it. And if it is singular in number, we have to use and before it. Vowel sound and singular in number, we have to use and before it. Okay, that is the rule. So don't get confused that we have to use and just before the letters, vowel letters. No. We can use and before those nouns that begin with vowel sound, even if it is a consonant. Alright. So we put and before honest. The letter H is silent in the word honest. So when we read honest, when we pronounce this word, this letter H, it goes silent. Okay, we say honest. It seems that there is no H because H is silent. Alright, some more examples are an hour, an honor. Now here also H is silent, and therefore there is this sound of O, vowel sound coming. Hour, and honor, O. So all these are called vowel sounds. Okay, sound means it has the sound of O, and O comes under vowels. Alright, so in these type of words we use and before it. Now we say a utensil because utensils begins with the consonant sound. Now again, U is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. It comes under vowel. But still we have not used an here. We have used A. Why? Because when we say utensil, what type of sound comes? Utensil, EU. what type of sound comes? E and U, utensil. So you can see now this type of sound, it has a sound of this. What is this? This is E, na? EU, utensil, utensil. So this type of sound is coming, E type of sound is coming, and this E comes under vowel. So here utensil, A-E-I-O, utensil. Alright, it begins with the consonant sound. Now, you can say it can begin with a consonant sound like EU, or you can say it can begin with a consonant sound Y. Okay, not exactly EU, children. It has a sound like Y. When we say utensil, what type of sound comes? Forget about EU. There is a sound of Y, na? Just coming before, when we speak utensil, Y, utensil. This sound is coming, and Y comes under consonant. It has a consonant sound, no? It has a sound like Y, and Y is a consonant, so we have put A before it. Okay, just ignore this EU. Okay, now because it begins with a consonant sound U, you can see this Y. All right, so that is why we have put A. So we have to be very we have to be careful with the sound. We have to go with sound of the vowel and sound of the consonant. All right, so put a before the word utensil. So that is why we have not used an. We have used A before utensil. Okay, some more examples are a useful animal, a used car. In all these words you will find the consonant sound Y coming in it. So therefore we have used A and not an. So we have to be very careful with the sounds. Okay, we say a 1 rupee coin because 1 begins with the consonant sound wa. Okay, now here in this word 1, okay, although it is a vowel, okay, O is a vowel, but still we have used A before it and not an. Why? Because it has a sound like that of a consonant. It has a sound of W, wa, 1 rupee note. So that is why we have used A and not an. Alright, so we put A before 1 rupee. Some more examples are a 100 rupee note, a one-eyed monster. So you can see now we have to follow the sound of the vowel and the sound of the consonant. We have to follow the sound of the consonant sound and the vowel sound. And the what type of sound? The vowel sound. To use the articles A and an. Okay, A is used before nouns that begin with consonant sound. What is consonant? Consonant are letters that do not the letters that doesn't come under vowels. Okay, and where do we use an? We use an before nouns that begin with vowel sound. And what are vowels? What are the letters that comes under vowel? A, E, I, O, U. So children, that's it. Okay, that we have learnt about 2 types of articles, that is A and an. All right. So now we will just look at these exercise. Okay. Let us do it quickly. Fill in the blanks with A or an. First one, the computer is a useful machine. Alright, the computer is a useful machine. So useful it begins with a vowel, but it has which type of sound? Vowel sound or consonant sound? It has a consonant sound. Now children, useful, Y. Y sound is there. So we have used a before it. In the same way, you have to just pronounce. You have to just say the word and you have to understand which sound it has, vowel sound or consonant sound. All right. So children, we'll do this exercise in detail in the next part of this video so that you will understand more. Okay, so that's all for today, children. Okay, your homework will be to learn this definition of vowel sound. Okay, not the definition of vowel sound, the use of an, the definition of how we use an. Okay, we use an before common nouns which are single or one and begin with a vowel sound. This you have to learn it. This will be your homework. And also this box, this also you have to learn it. Okay, so it is very, very important where we use the article a, an, and where do we use the article a. Okay, so that's all for today, children. If anything you have not understood, okay, if you have a doubt, please come up with questions and clear your doubts. Okay, so that's all for today, and we'll meet in the next part of this video. All right, till then you keep learning and stay safe. Thank you.